And here I have a small kitchenette, and what's perfect to have for this is a 2-burner cooktop. This is Kenyon. This is a 6.5-inch cooktop. There's 2 of them right here. Easily used with any kettles and pots and pans. Let's turn it on. This is running off of 120 volt, so very easy to hook up. You can just wire it down low into a panel, but works great and great for a small area. If you have a small little kitchenette or small apartment and you need a cooktop for this. So we've got this on high. Let's turn this all the way up here to high like this. We can see that they start getting hot and perfect for a kettle to start boiling water. Perfect for to warm up some soup, or even a pan to cook some eggs. But very easy to use, and will get hot super fast, as well as adjustable. So it's analog adjustment, and when you turn it off, it will still have the indicator light for a hot surface, so you know not to set anything on top of there, and you won't melt it or burn your hand. You know not to touch this area. But very good size and perfect size cooktop for a small kitchenette just like this. Can highly recommend. Definitely go get one of these.